Hello guys! Welcome to another episode of YouCam Perfect Hack Series. I'm today's host, Holly. In today's video, we will talk about our brand new sparkle effect, and we will show you step by step how to edit this sparkle photo. Once you learn how to make it, you can edit for anyone you like, even your favorite singer or actor. After that, we'll go over some FAQs. We've received a lot of photo editing questions from you guys, and I'm super excited to answer them at the end of this video, so stick around. If you want to become a photo editing pro, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on all of the notifications. Well, today we have invited Professor Sparkle to come and talk about the sparkle effect. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Professor Sparkle. The sparkle effect, aka Kira Kira effect, has been brightening up our social media feeds for quite some time now. The sparkle is a versatile and highly popular effect that can be applied on a variety of images, from selfies to landscapes, even food, drinks, and makeup. If YouCam Perfect, the sparkle effect comes in animated and still formats. You know what my favorite part is? You can choose the sparkles to be shaped like diamonds, stars, or even hearts. Wow, that looks gorgeous! Alright, so I can't wait to try this effect. I'm going to show you how I created this shining photo using YouCam Perfect. Let's get started! Alright, to get started, first we're going to choose a glitter image as the background. Then click Add Photo. My suggestion is that you choose an image wearing glasses, accessories, or a hat. Anything you want to be glitter, really. So I'm going to pick this cool photo of me wearing sunglasses, and I'm going to create my own glitter sunglasses using the eraser tool. So we're going to erase the sunglasses and parts of my sneakers to make them shine bright like a diamond. Sorry. Okay, so far so good, but I think we can do even more. I want my black top to become glowing too. So we're going to use this blender tool and add even more sparkles. So we're going to pick a glitter layer photo and size it to make sure it's covering the entire body. Then adjust the style however you like. So I'm going to choose hard light and simply erase the parts that I don't want. Alright, so if this isn't fancy enough for you, we have just the thing for you. I'm going to add a pair of wings using the stickers feature. So scroll and find your wing sticker pack and pick the wings that you want. So I'm going to go with this one. Alright, so before moving to the next step, you can try to change the background or add something cool behind you. If you want to learn how to change the background, leave a comment down below and we'll make another tutorial for you. Lastly, and this is the key step, I want my photo to come to life by adding even more sparkles with the animation effect. So if you want to do further adjustments, just click one more time to go into the room. You can adjust the details like quantity, size, opacity, and many more. So if you want directions for this, you can go down to the description box below. Make sure you save them. Plus, in this section, we also have the eraser to let you erase the unnecessary parts too. So thoughtful, this app. Alright, so now we have a finished photo and we can finally export it as a video. And you can even choose the different formats or platforms you want to export it to. It's even exported in 4K, which is crazy. So as you can see, it's super easy to add sparkle aesthetic to your photos. What are you waiting for? Go have some fun. All right. Now we are ready to answer some of the questions you had for us. Questions? Thank you. All right, so our first question comes from one of our Instagram followers. Hi, I really like the photos on YouCam Perfect's official Instagram page, and I want to create similar photo edits. Where do I begin? Well, you've come to the right place. We recommend starting with something simple yet versatile, such as the light leak. This beautiful effect can be applied to many different types of photos, and it will turn your image into a masterpiece in a matter of seconds. This popular light leak effect imitates the actual light leak that often happened with film cameras when the film was exposed by accident. Now, with YouCam Perfect's light leak effect, you can easily create super trendy and hip images without damaging your photos. Now, moving on to our second question from a curious YouCam Perfect user. What is the most popular effect pack? Okay, the secret is out. The Light Shadow Effect Pack is the most popular among YouCam Perfect users. This effect instantly adds geometric shadows to your image, similar to what photographers do with a cardboard box when taking photos. And did we mention this effect comes in 6 adjustable variations of colors and shadows? Plenty of ways for you to express your creativity. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the latest YouCam Perfect feature updates and are now ready to create your next masterpiece. Plus, we always look forward to your questions, feedback, and comments, so leave them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, now is the perfect time to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our new videos. See you next time! Bye!